when the night feels endless and hope feels far away. Dimadu, hold on, Chukunonebea, he's here. Standing in silent pain, fighting battles nobody explains. But listen, my brother, my sister here, this is not the end you fear. Even when your strength is almost gone, even when you feel you don't belong, there is a voice in the rising sun saying your story is not done. Ekwela kaobida, don't give up, Echikama, better tomorrow is coming. Night cannot win forever, darkness will surrender. Hold on tight, don't let go, there is something you must know. Stay strong, one more morning is coming for you. New mercy breaking right through. You will rise again, you will breathe again. Your tears will turn into gain. One more morning light will appear, every shadow will disappear. Stand up, my brother, don't you fall. Grace is answering your call. Chukudinma, you are not alone. I know the weight that you carry inside, dreams you bury, tears you hide. But every wound has a healing place, and every loss can meet grace. So if you are